everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you software that help you to how to farm Instagram account and create the warm-up script. So here this is my software that I use. So what you can see, the software account management function will help you to add and manage your Instagram account. So you can add your account here. Okay, after you have an account in the software, you can go to account interaction to warm up your account. First, I will choose the account that I want to warm up. Next, I will add the script that I want. Here you can see, you can choose create the comment with AI, create content, send message with AI, create the content of the message with AI. Or you can choose generator interaction. You can choose the read the notice. Or you can choose keyword interaction. You can sort the content by keyword. You can enter your keyword in here. You can choose everything you want. Next, or you can choose account interaction. You can choose sort the content by account and enter your account in here. Okay, after you choose the action of the interaction, you press save to save the script that you want. Next, I will press again and let the software do the work. See the software auto open the browser like this and make the account to the script that I want. So basically, it should show you how to farm multiple Instagram accounts and create a warm-up script. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The details I below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for the channel.